Assalamualaikum and good evening. We have received your resume and this is the mock interview for the shortlisted candidates. For the first candidates, Mr. Amin, please turn on your mic and camera and tell us about yourself.
Where's my cam? With it. Oh, uh, good morning. Assalamualaikum. So my name is Amin Hazik bin Masnun. I'm 21 years old. I have degree in electrical and electronic engineering from University of Malaysia Sabah. Today I'm taking interview for the position of Chief Executive Officer for Api Api Holdings Berhad. I have been working as Human Resources Manager at Raspan dan Berhad Tawau, where I was responsible for recruiting, screening, interviewing, and placing workers depends on their capabilities. I am a flexible worker and passionate about learning new skills. I also have developed a strong skill set, including in-depth company management expertise. I believe I can take this advantage to work in your company.
Saya lakukan. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Amin. How do you work under pressure?
As I mentioned, I am a flexible worker where I can handle myself working under high pressure, where I can keep myself calm whenever the situation getting high. For example, whenever the situation get high with the works, I have bunch of works and I need the due date is near. I can manage my time properly so I can finish the job according to the deadline so I don't miss the due date. So,
Okay, thank you, Mr. Amin. Can you tell us where did you find about this position?
I've come across a job application from JobStreet where it stated that this company need a chief executive officer for this company, as the company needs someone that can manage the companies properly and bring the success to its own.
Okay. So, why do you want to work here?
As I cross as I across from the as I cross the job advertisement, I realized the company have the opportunity for me to learning new skill where I cannot find at others company. It also provide me a skills management where I work where I was working as a human resources manager from my previous company, that I can improve myself and work as a chief as a chief executive manager, chief executive officer in this company, and grow my skills.
Okay. So, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Having me in this company will I promise that I can bring this company where the company's field is in electrical car, so the use of the electronic components will be reusable, which means we can use the concept of reusable electronic component, so we don't have to damage the environment. So our company will be more eco-friendly rather than using uh, using more electronic component and not reuse it. So it only bring more failure rather than success. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Amin. So now we'll move to our next candidate, Azizan Tauhid. Please open your camera and your mic and introduce yourself to us.
Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I will start. My name is Aizan bin Tauhid. Thank you for this opportunity to give me an interview for today. I am applying to become a Human Resources Manager at your company, Api Api Holdings. With my 2 years work experience from Petronas, I believe I can bring to the company uh, a very good resource, which is help your company build its uh, workers to become greater in the future.
Okay, so Mr. Amin, other than this, are you pursuing other opportunities?
As about now, I am pursuing another opportunity, which I will attend very soon.
Thank you, Mr. Azizan. As an expertise in this field, how do you see and take opportunity?
I believe in analyzing the company's greatest strengths and weaknesses and assess myself to be able to find what can be improved and what can be done correctly. To me, analyzing a company's strengths and weaknesses it is one of my greatest achievements.
Okay, Mr. Azizan, can you tell me about what are your strengths and weaknesses?
From high school, I rarely interact with my friends or family, so I have struggled with communicating with other people. But as I go through the years, as I continue my study, I slowly uh, build my confidence to talk to people and interact more with people. So, and in another way to say it, my greatest strength is also my greatest weakness.
Mr. Azizan, what do you expect for your salary in the future?
Given my previous work experience at Petronas Sendirian Berhad and my 2 years work experience from there, I expect my salary to be within the range similar to my previous job at Petronas.
Okay, Mr. Azizan, what do you understand about this position you applied for?
Being a human resources manager is not an easy task to tackle. You deal with the company's workers every day through thick and thin, and yet you have to help them improve in their work field in order to move forward towards the company. And what I understand from your company is that you need someone with a lot of experience and a big confidence to better improve the company in the future.
Okay, Mr. Azizan. So tell me, why should we hire you?
I am not the strongest candidate, I realize, but from what I learned is that I will never give up. Even when I don't know the answer, I will always find a way to tackle the problem given to me And whether it will take me 1 day, 1 month, or 1 year, I will still work hard every day to solve your problem.
Thank you, Mr. Azizan. Now we're moving on to Miss Siti. Can you please tell us about yourself?
Hello, my name is Siti Nur Aziati binti Alamsyah. I am applying for the position of finance manager. Um, I am a graduate student from University Malaysia Sabah, and I have a bachelor's degree and a master's degree in finance and banking. I also won an awards for first class degree in finance and banking in the year of 2013. And previously, I was the vice president for YOSH My Fund Action, and where I organized fundraising event to help raise money for those in need. And that's all.
Miss Siti, what do you think is more important? Is it keeping clients happy or meeting targets?
For me, keeping a client happy and meeting targets is of paramount importance. But I will try my best to meet the target first and provide another alternative solution for the clients so that we can meet each other targets fairly.
Okay, Miss Siti, why do you think is more important? What motivates you?
I am really driven by results. I like it when I have a concrete goals. At my last job, our yearly goals are very aggressive, and so I work with my team. I work with my team to find a strategy, and we came up with a month-by-month strategy, and we managed to meet our year-end goals.
Okay, Miss Siti, what kind of work environment do you like best?
I do believe that I work best in a collaborative environment. I enjoy working as part of a team, even though I can also do independent work. In your job description, it mentions a lot about collaboration with other teams and department. So I think that I will excel in this. I think I will excel in this role.
Okay, Miss Siti, tell me about the time when you disagree with a decision. What will you do?
I once encountered a disagreement in my previous job, and what I do is I directly, straight away, tell them about it, and we calmly discuss about the issue again until we come to a fair decision.
All right. What is your life philosophy?
my life philosophy. Well, there is this one philosophy that keeps me together when I was having a hard time, and it sounds like this: your strength may be limited, but if you believe in yourself, you can do it. Yeah, that philosophy always bring me back together, and I managed to handle my troubles or problems with, yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you, Miss Siti. Next candidate, Mr. Aiman, can you turn on your camera and mic and tell me more about yourself?
Hello, my name is Muhammad Iman bin Abu Baharin, and I'm 21, and I'm 25 years old, and I'm a graduate from University Malaysia Sabah, and I have bachelor's degree in electrical and electronic engineering. I was working at Ngang Electrical and Electronic Engineering Company previously as a manager of engineers in the company. So I'm a dedicated person and well motivated in any job I do.
Okay, Mr. Aiman. When can you start working?
I'm happily to start working by next week since I know this is a one-time opportunity for me. So I have no issues to start working by next week.
Okay, Mr. Aiman. How flexible are you in terms of mobility?
I I'm available to work from Monday to Friday, and I can drive by myself to my workplace. And I'm very flexible about the time within the work week, and I really value my weekend to spend the time with my family. And I guarantee you that I'm willing to go above and beyond uh, during the standard work week.
Okay, Mr. Aiman, I have a question. Do you prefer to be a leader or a follower?
I prefer to be a leader rather than be a follower. This is because being a leader give me the chance to control the work I do. As an example, if I am given a project to improve something in the company, being a follower may limit my opportunity to show my skills and to apply my knowledge. So being a leader give me the chance to show my leadership, and I can promise that I'm a very tolerant person.
Okay, Mr. Aiman, why are you leaving your current employer?
So my previous company, since this pandemic happened, the company was having a financial problems. So the company admitted that the company cannot pay my salary monthly for the next 6 months. So the CEO of the company gave me the opportunities to spread my wings and widen my opportunities in any other company.
Okay, Mr. Aiman,
Yes.
um, What is more important to you? Is it money or your work?
I prefer to put my work as my priority. This is because I my work will define who I am as a character. And with money, with a lot of money, I may be a good person, but when I lost it all, I may be changed.
Okay, thank you for to all candidates for attending this interview.